In this video, I will show you how to check if someone is spying on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. Here, you can view and manage your Apple account settings. You can scroll down to check your phone information as well. Now go back to the previous page. Scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. Then, tap on Location Services. Over here, go to Apple Store. Then, tap on Never to remove location access. Or, you can go back and disable location services. Tap on Turn Off to confirm. This will ensure that location services will be disabled for all apps. You have now successfully turned off location services on your phone, which will help you keep your phone and information protected. And that's it. This is how you can check if someone is spying on your phone.